What's up, guys? Real quick before the video starts, this little disclaimer. I got a new camera, as you can tell. I kind of explained it in the video, but I have these two annoying clips, right? These clips right here are on both sides of the camera, and I didn't really notice this until I listened to it, but they clank against the camera on the left side and right side, so my intro and outro is you're gonna hear like this really weird, like annoying sound. So I'm sorry about the inconvenience. Bear with me. I took them off, so now everything should be good from here. And just enjoy the video. Sorry for the inconvenience. Catch you guys later. Oh my god! On the bat. Again, oh, it is recording. What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. Today, as you can tell, probably this view you're seeing looks pretty high quality because I actually just bought a camera. It's around $500. It looks clean, looks crisp. No more using that GoPro down there for the intros anymore. Now we got this for intros, outros, dope shots, the B-roll, you know, when that comes around. But today, it's around 50 degrees here in the Chicagoland area. And this morning, though, I know it was around 35-ish. So it definitely went up. I'm hoping these fish are gonna be biting. I'm gonna be throwing stuff from my Lucky Tackle box today. Actually, right now I got tied on a jig from the Lucky Tackle box. Gonna be throwing that, swimming that bad boy. There's some pretty interesting lures in here. I know there's a bat in here that I might try if I get around to today. It really depends on how I'm doing. And also, if nothing's working in here, I also got a bunch of stuff with me. The game plan for today is just to come out here, try to catch some fall time bass, because I know, you know, the big girls are biting right now, but like I said, I'm at this beautiful body of water. I'm gonna put this bad boy down, even though I don't want to, because it looks so crisp right now. It looks so cool. How do I zoom in? Oh, that's awesome. Looks sweet. Thing down, switch you guys to the chesty, and let's do it. Let's have a day at it. Let's go. All right, guys, so I'm gonna start today fishing this little cove area, but I'm throwing this swim jig looking thing from the LTB. The plastic was from a different LTB, but it looks pretty deadly together, and it swims really well. Looks really juicy, but I'm just gonna work down these shorelines and try to pick up some big bass, like right under this tree right here. So stay tuned. We're having a good day. Weather feels pretty nice for only being 50 degrees, but we're gonna do it and we're gonna have a good day at it. So, and that was a terrible first cast, but that's all right. Last time I was at this spot, I had a pike bite me off. You guys don't remember that? It was right at my feet, right here. So maybe I can get him back today. There's one, right under that tree. Get him up here, let's go, nice. Guys, I've been here for exactly 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I already picked off one. Let's go. There he is, right on the top of the mouth. Actually, there's a tree right there, and he actually hit it right under it. He was perched up under there. I'm actually gonna take a picture of him and try to get a release on the new camera, see how, you know, so I can get used to it and get better with it. But still a solid chunk. First fish of the day, 2 minutes in, cannot complain whatsoever. Wanna touch him? Slimy, right? All right, here we go for the release on this little guy. First fish of the day. Cannot complain. Oh, that water is freezing. There she goes. Boom, let's get it. That was awesome. Sweet. Oh my god, that was right in the tree. Oh, come on. Ah, shit. And we're broke. Okay, sweet. I had that jig for a solid, I don't know, 5-6 minutes, and caught a fish on it. Was feeling real good, and I just casted it right in that tree, and it is now gone. So that's always nice. Guys, I just put on this bat from the Lucky Tackle box. It's Savage Gear bat. Thing looks unreal. I'm hoping I can pick one off the shoreline. Sun's on it. It's a good spot for some top water, and wow, this thing looks awesome. Oh my god! On the bat. Oh my god, something blew up on it. Stay down. It's a pike. Pike blew up in the bat. Oh my god. Oh, it's a nice pike, dude. Okay. Stay here. Stay hooked. Stay on, girl. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, big old pike on the bat, dude. gonna bring this over there and get a picture real quick with the big camera. That is crazy. Just caught this nice pike. Just caught this nice pike right here on a bat. A freaking bat, man. Look at this. Definitely crushed the bat. Oh my God, that's crazy. Check out that fish right there. All right guys, I got in the sun so you can see this better. Here is that pike on the bat. Absolutely epic right there. Beautiful pike. We're gonna get her off right here. I don't have pliers because I didn't think I was gonna catch a pike. But I do have my scissors. This pike is absolutely beautiful. Just another view of that pike. We're gonna go put her back right now. Beautiful pike on the bat. Look at her. Gorgeous freaking pike. She's out of the water for a little bit, so we're gonna swim with her. She's ready to go. Boom, let's go. That's so hype. Wow, that was super cool, guys. I was throwing the Lucky Tackle Box bat right here. Hold on. Throwing the bat right here from Lucky Tackle Box. We were Savage gear, but it got sent to my Lucky Tackle Box. And I was seriously about to give up. I was like, okay, after this shoreline right here I'm working, I'm gonna switch to a spinnerbait, something I can catch a fish on, because that wasn't working. He slammed it right next to the wall. That was a solid 30-inch pike or so. Definitely the biggest I've got out of here, which is really sweet to catch a pike. But especially on the bat, man. I mean, I was so shocked. I don't know if you can hear my voice, but I was just like staring at my bait, watching the same old wobble, and he just came up and just launched it. Great fight, great fish. She went off, she was fine. Wow, that's awesome. I think I'm gonna keep the bat on, try to fish this wall, maybe another shoreline or so, and then I'm gonna switch to something else. But that's awesome. We've had 2 fish. On the one on the Lucky Tackle Box jig, which I lost. One on the bat, and wow, what a day it's been now because of that fish right there. I'm gonna put this camera down. I'm gonna keep on casting that bat, and maybe I can get an even bigger pike or maybe a bass. Such an epic fish, and let's do it again. Let's do that again. There's one. Is it a pike? Is that a pike that just hit it? Or is it a little bass? I think it's a little bass. Little bass. Get him up here. Let's go. All right. Oh, don't drop him off. Hey, little guy on the spinnerbait actually just threw that fish. Or not the fish, sorry. Never throw a fish. I threw that spinnerbait right next to the big pole right there going in the water. I actually saw the bass hit it. Thought it was a little pike at first, but this is a little guy, nothing special. Drop him back down. And boom, there he goes. Sweet. Is that a fish? Oh, I got one. I felt some dead weight, but I wasn't sure exactly what it was. Get up here, let's go. Sweet. All right, this feels good. My first fish in about actually a while. I lost the fish on the spinnerbait over there. I just switched to the jig because I was casting shorelines with the spinnerbait, wasn't getting nothing else. I actually fished this spot with the spinnerbait, didn't get anything. Sure enough, switched to the jig, and about my second or third cast with the jig, it comes in clutch. Not the size I'm looking for, obviously, but still a nice fish. And sweet. I think the jig bite might be getting hot here, so I realized I didn't think I had any jigs left, but I guess I did. So put it back on, and I'm actually gonna work this way now and see if I can pick off any more bass on the jig. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for today. To be honest, I had an okay day out here. I mean, I caught a fish right away, nice bass on the jig, ended up throwing that jig into a tree, which sucked because I wanted to use that the whole day almost. But then I switched to that bat, and I caught that big pike on it, which is so cool, so epic to catch that nice pike too on the bat. Ended up pulling off 2 more small bass, and I ended up losing a few fish. So it was an okay day. I'm just really glad I caught that pike on the bat. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit a thumbs up, and if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. Click that little red button down below and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified the second we upload new videos. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Let's go.